vectors. All right. So this is the other type that they tend to give, guys, related to the exam. They tend to give questions like these. So I'm just gonna do this one for you guys. I'm just gonna do this one for you guys. I'm just gonna talk about it and do it. Cool. So let's do it together, guys. Let's do it together. All right. So this one says, guys, AB is equal to M, DC is equal to 3M, and AD is equal to N. So that's all they give us. And they say it's a quadrilateral, ABCD, in which we have this, right? So here is N going downwards. Here is M. And here is 3M. And they say L, there's a L here as well. Cool, there's a L right there. So let's do it, guys. Let's look at this diagram and let's try to solve the question. So it says here, guys, oops. The diagram below, not drawn to scale, is a quadrilateral with the following information. A to B is M, D to C is 3M, and A to D downwards is N. Cool. And it says complete the statement below on the geometric properties of the following vectors. All right. So A, B, and A and DC are parallel. I would say parallel. I would say that. And A, the length of AB is 3 times CD. I think so. I would say that. I think that makes perfect sense to me. I hope that's the answer though. Does that make sense to anybody else?
Yes, sir.
It
Makes
does.
sense to me.
Yeah, man.
Let's check if it's right though. Solutions, May 2018. Last question. Parallel, 1/3. Yep. Well, AB is 3 times CD. Yeah, so this is not 3 times, guys. Sorry about that. That makes sense. This is 1/3. AB is 1/3 of 1/3 times CD for sure. CD is a long one, 3M. CD is equal to 3M. So AB is equal to M. So clearly AB is CD is equal to 3 times AB, right? So hold on, is it 1/3? 1/3 times CD. Okay, cool. Yeah. So if AB is equal to, sorry, if CD is equal to 3AB, then 1/3 CD is equal to AB, right? So AB, the length of AB is 1/3 CD. Cool. I think that makes sense. So it's definitely parallel for sure because it's clearly a trapezium. And yes, it's 1/3. AB is 1/3 times CD for sure. So that solves the first part. Kind of simple to me, not really too bad. And it says express BC. All right, Adrian is here now. So this one, guys, says express BC, B to C, in terms of M and N. Cool. So let's do that, guys. Let's do the one down here. Find BC. They're asking us to find BC for this vector, guys. So how do we find BC? Guys, there's only one way to find BC. B to C is here to here. B to C is here to here, but we'll have to go the opposite direction, of course. So I have to go this way, down, and then to the right. Cool. So I have to go left, which is the opposite of M. So that's minus M. Down, which is plus N. And then to the right, which is plus 3M. So BC, guys, would end up being N minus M plus 3m, which of course would end up being just n plus 2m. Cool. So that's all it is, guys. BC is equal to n plus 2m. Cool. Cool, guys.
Yeah, man.
Yes, sir.
So that's how you do it, guys. You always do this vector thing. You have to go the opposite direction. So you can never go from here to here. You can never do it. So you always have to go the opposite way. If you go into the opposite direction as the arrows, then that means that you have to change it to negative, right? So this m is this way. So since we're changing it to the opposite direction, this has to be negative m instead. Here is n going downwards in the same direction. And then this is that way going in the same direction. So this is 3m and this is n, right? So that gives us the answer for that one, guys. I think that's right. Maybe I should check the result same way, but yes, it's right. N plus 2m, very easy. Not really hard to do, not too hard. Not too hard, right? So that covers the first part of the question. That covers the first part of the question, guys. So that's pretty easy. Only 3 marks for that section though. And it says here, L is the midpoint of CD. L, which is right here, is the midpoint of CD. So we need to find BL in terms of M and N. B to L, no guys, so L is the midpoint. And we need to find from B, which is right here, to L, which is right here. So it's the same thing, guys. Let me do it in blue. So I have to go this way again. I have to go down again, and I have to go to the right. But in this case, guys, it's half. It's a midpoint we're going to. So we're going the opposite direction, downwards, and then half of DC. So B to L, guys, let me write it. BL is going to be equal to, let me make this bigger. All right, BL, guys, is going to be equal to M, well, negative M again. Negative M, because we're going the opposite direction, negative M, this way. Then downwards is going to be plus N. And then from D to L is going to be a half 3M. And it's a half 3M, guys, because it's the midpoint. So anytime you find in the midpoint of something, guys, it's just a half. So 3M is this whole line here. So a half would be a half 3M to the L, right? If L is a midpoint. So that's what BL is, guys. So BL is going to be equal to negative M plus 1.5 M plus N, which is going to be N minus, well, not minus, M plus 0.5 M. So that's what my BL would be, N plus 0.5 M. And that's what I think BL would be. And let me check. This is the same thing though, N plus 0.5 M, same thing. Yeah, the solution is the same. Yes, so this is the answer, guys, N plus 0.5 M,
Wait,
that's the
sir,
answer.
can you go back? Sir, can you go back up, please? That was the right thing.
Oh, sorry. Yes, so that's the answer, guys, N plus 0.5 M.
Sir, can go back now.
All right, cool. So that's the answer for this one, guys. That's the answer for that one. And oh boy, that's done. That's it. That's it for this test, which is good. They only give you a short one here. Only 5 marks worth of vectors on this one. I like that though. I like that.